In this video, we're going to talk about the simple power of sheer number. So, let's say you're a social media influencer and you have 1 million followers, okay? And they're pretty much fairly active, and you ask all million subscribers in a video for only $1. $1. And only 10% give you $1. 10% of the million subscribers, you will have $100,000. That's as much as a nice little house in most reasonable states, excluding New York and California. Parts of them, of course. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share. Check out links in the description.